Meaning of the word Onesiphorus, it has two words, onesis and phoros. Onesi means profit or providing some help, and phoros means the one who brings. Onesiphorus ante the one who brings help, the one who brings profit, or somebody who is helpful. And Onesimus koda, it means the same. Onesis ane word is a word that means profit, and he lived up to his name. Onesimus gurinchi kuda Philemon ki rastadu, you thought he was useless but he's useful antadu. And pere Onesimus ante useful. Alaga దేవుడు మనల్ని కూడా, when we were useless outside the family of God, he brought us into his family and made us useful for somebody else. ఇప్పుడు నాకేంటి కాదది. When we come into the family of God, how can I be of help to somebody else? ఇప్పుడు fruit of the spirit అంటాం. Fruit of the spirit అంటే ఏంటి? Tree doesn't eat the fruit, it produces the fruit and somebody else plucks it. వేరే వాళ్ళ ఫలాన్ని తీసుకుని తిని ఆహా అని అంటారు. So we produce the fruit and others will benefit from that fruit. అలాగే Onesiphorus was a man who brought profit or brought help to Apostle Paul.